How to break free from a toxic relationship. In order to break free from a toxic relationship, the first step is recognizing the signs. Toxic relationships often involve manipulation, control, and emotional abuse. It's essential to identify these behaviors early on. Understanding the impact of a toxic relationship on your mental and physical well-being is crucial. These relationships can lead to anxiety, depression, and a loss of self-worth. Acknowledging the damage is the first step towards healing. Building a support system is vital when breaking free from a toxic relationship. Surround yourself with friends, family, or support groups who understand your situation and can offer encouragement and advice. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. All right, so let's talk about creating a safety plan. It's crucial to have a strategy in place, just in case things take a turn for the worse. This plan should include important phone numbers, a safe place to go, and a packed bag with essentials. Remember, it's all about being prepared and ensuring your safety. Now, let's discuss setting boundaries. It's essential to communicate your limits clearly and assertively. Boundaries help protect your well-being and let others know what is acceptable and what is not. Don't be afraid to stand firm. Your peace of mind is worth it. Seeking professional help can make a world of difference. Therapists, counselors, and support groups provide valuable guidance and support. They can offer you the tools to navigate through this challenging time. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Moving forward is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Surround yourself with supportive people and engage in activities that bring you joy. Healing is a process, but with each step, you grow stronger and more resilient. Believe in yourself and know that brighter days are ahead.